Meaning of eviction.
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 Eviction. Eviction refers to the legal process of removing a tenant from a rental property. It is usually initiated by the landlord, and can be the result of various reasons such as non-payment of rent, violation of lease terms, or expiration of lease agreement. The eviction process involves a court proceeding, where the landlord must provide a valid reason for the eviction and the tenant may have the opportunity to challenge it. If the court rules in favor of the landlord, the tenant will be required to vacate the property and may face consequences such as owing back rent or damages.